Alright guys, so let's dive right into the demonstration. For the purpose of these tutorials, I'm going to use two different laptops for this, okay? And the first laptop here is running Vmix, and then the second laptop here, I've opened the Canva web application on it, and I'm going to show you guys how you can connect it into the Vmix software, okay? So the first thing I want to show you guys is that this Canva presentation that I want to present it into the Vmix software, and I want to get the output of the presentation into the Vmix software. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is I'm going to go to share, and then I'm going to click more here, and I'm going to present. Okay, I'm going to present it full screen. I'm going to go for present. Okay, good. So we can see that from the Canva laptop, from the laptop that is running the Canva, the presentation is on the full screen, and then when you come to the Vmix application too, we can see that the presentation is here. So let me change it for you guys to see how it's working here. You can see that I've changed. Let me zoom in for the two computers. You can see that I've changed. You can see that I'm getting the presentation live into the Vmix software here. Okay, go to the next slide here. Okay, go to the next slide here. Okay, everything is working nicely here. You can see it's updating live, okay, from Canva to Vmix. It's updating live here. All right, okay, let me present this flyer here. So let me present this flyer here into the application, and let's see. All right, so this is the flyer I want to show into the Vmix software. You can see that I've been captured here. All right, nicely captured here. Okay, you can see that it's showing nicely into the Vmix application, as you guys can see here. And then when I go to the video from the Canva application, let me present the video as well. Let me present the video here. It has been captured into the Vmix software, and if the network is good, it will have been played. Okay guys, so this is what I want to show you guys today how to do, and by the end of the tutorials, you will be able to connect the output of your Canva workflow into the Vmix software. Okay, so let's dive right into the tutorials, and I will show you everything how to do that. But if you are new to this channel, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel, The Guitar Connect. That is the only way you can support the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and make sure that you like and comment below my videos, and then let me know guys how you think about. Alright guys, let's dive right into the tutorials. For the purpose of these tutorials, I'm going to use two different computers for it. Okay, so at the first computer over here, you guys can see that I've installed Vmix software on it. All right, so make sure that you have the Vmix software fully installed on your first computer. Okay, so after you've installed the Vmix software on your first computer, we are moving into the second computer to do the rest of the work over there. All right, but before I go, all right, after you've installed the Vmix software, okay, make sure that you connect the two computers to the same network so that you can follow along with these tutorials. Okay, so when I move to my second computer, okay, this is where I'm going to do the rest of the work. Okay, so make sure that on your second computer you have at least a Canva opened. Okay, make sure that you have access to Canva. It's free software that you can register, and then you can link up to. Okay, make sure they have Canva opened, and then make sure that you visit the Vmix official website, and then click on downloads over here. So when you click on downloads over here, this page is going to open for you. So make sure that you scroll down until you see this thing over here, desktop capture for Windows. Okay, download this little application over here. So when you download it, you are going to get a file like this when you extract it. Okay, when you download it, extract it, it's going to come up a zip file. Extract it, and then you're going to get a folder like this, a file like this. Make sure that you group them into a folder as I've done, so that it will all be at one place. So after you have done that, then we move on. Okay, now you have your Canva application, you have your Vmix desktop capture, you've connected your two computers to the same network. Okay, so what we want to do here is that make sure that you run the Vmix application, the NDI desktop capture. Okay, so let me close this one and run it for you guys to see. So open it like this, then click on this one here, the Vmix desktop capture. click on it for it to open. Okay, so when you run it, this how is going to come. Okay, you are not going to install when you click on the setup, it's going to open like this. Okay, so let's do a little bit setup here. Okay, so you click on the settings over here, and then you can show the Kaiser when you connected to the Vmix. If you want to show the mouse on it, just uncheck it. If you don't want to show, then you can leave the rest of the settings as it is. Okay, so right now we have our settings done on this secondary computer. Okay, so we have everything done. So let's go back into our Canva application. Okay, so on our Canva application, we are done designing our work. Okay, we are done designing our presentation. We want to present something to our Vmix software, so we are done designing our presentation. Okay, so right now if you want to get this into the what do you call it, the Vmix software, just click on share, click on more over here, and then click on present. Okay, so when you click on present and then click on full presentation and then click on here like this. Okay, so this is what you are going to get. Okay, so guys, so I forget to explain what the Vmix desktop capture does. Okay, what the Vmix desktop capture does is that it allows you to send the interface of one computer. It will allow you to send the interface of a computer into the Vmix software. Okay, so any interface you open on your computer, you're going to get it into the Vmix software. So that's the job it does. Okay, so let me come back to my primary computer where I have the Vmix software installed over here, and then let me go to add input over here. So when I click on add input and go to Vmix desktop, you can see that there are a lot of interfaces over here. All right, so the one I am interested in to go to display one. All right, click on the display one and then click there like this. Okay, so when you see that when I click on this the display one, I've easily or automatically get the output of my secondary PC into my Vmix application, because the Vmix desktop capture allow you to get this the interface of a computer. Okay, the interface of the computer to the Vmix software. So I'll be able to capture the output of the Vmix, the Canva application to the Vmix software. So when I change the presentation over here, you can see that it's changing nicely. Okay, when I change the presentation over here, you can see that everything is changing nicely. Okay, so the same thing applies to when if you want to show images, the same thing applies to if you want to play video, anything you want to show from the Canva application, you can easily do it as I've done. You are going to get it. It's not anything difficult. Okay, just remember that you have to connect the two computers to the same network. Make sure that you have the Vmix software installed. Make sure that you have the Vmix desktop capture application installed or download on your secondary computer, and then when you launch it, automatically it connects the two computers together, and then you can share the interfaces across the network. Okay, so you can also have a third computer or a fourth computer for the same thing. Okay, you just install the applications on it and then you can use it as I've shown over here. All right, so guys, I believe this tutorial has been of great help to you, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in another tutorial. Bye bye.